Hello, this is Jules from VR Tracker. Today to show you very quickly the accuracy of the second LED correction, quickly how it works. And well, what I've done is that I've done a simple test in Unity where I have this tracker. So I'm just going to turn it on just to show you the data starting to get inside the tracker. Just for your information, in the room, the zero orientation on the yaw, so the orientation like that, is supposed to be when the tracker is in this orientation. So this is supposed to be aligned this way to be at a zero orientation. So I'm just gonna have to set up at the first, just as I turn it up and the correction like didn't even start it. Oh well, actually it did start it. It was at minus 100 degrees like 5 seconds ago, and I saw it jump at minus 5 degrees, which means that it is supposed to be zero. So the 100 degrees was just before, and have a look, it is already correcting very quickly. So it is now at minus 1.3 degrees. So I don't even know if it is because I didn't place it exactly, or if it is just because the correction isn't yet perfect. Here I think I am very close to the good orientation. You know, I'm trying to fit it with the table, and we are at 0.5 degrees precision. So I can turn it and you'll see the number changing. Here it is supposed to be around 90 degrees. So it's not, of course, not very precise when I do it by hand. So if you want, I can do another test. So I'm going to start it again. I've turned it off. I'm going to turn it on again. So just for your information, this is supposed to be the zero. Currently it is minus 125 as we just started the tracker. So when it starts, it just gets the raw data. It doesn't yet get corrected. So now you can see it just jumped from minus 125 to minus 22 and hopefully minus 15. Here I've just disabled something. We do a lerping between the corrections to avoid having jumps like that. It's just disabled right now as I'm working on it. So we're at minus 12. So still 12 degrees offset between the trackers and the data we get. No, 10. So it can take, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes at the beginning to be really sure that the data are great. Here you can see that we've already had a first correction in less than a minute that was very precise. The second one is started I think a minute ago and is now at 9 degrees offset to zero. So what I could advise also is to move a bit around in the room with the tracker, because it works well when the camera see the tracker, like different sets of camera. What doesn't work very well in the correction is if you have some high-speed movements, because this will be hard for the camera to have a precise enough measurement for that small distance. So let's just put it again there. All right, so we still don't have the best correction, but it will still take a few minutes, I think, and we'll get back to close to zero. So it's just a matter of time at the beginning, but the good thing is that I could turn the game off and start it again. I'll show you. As the orientation is saved in the tracker, it doesn't get reset each time the games is reset. So here the data should soon arrive. Oh, it asks me for the pairing. Don't know why. Okay, so the tracker, it's this one. And the gun. Oh, I think the gun is off. Yeah, so the gun is out of battery. Just give me a minute. Okay, so let's check again at the head orientation. So I've put it there. All right, there it is. And I'm just gonna set it to zero. So as you can see, it is like very close to zero. It is 0.5 degrees. Well, it is not perfectly set. It's more like 1.5 degrees. But you see, in 5 minutes we had twice the correction as I turn it off in the middle. So we had twice the correction in 5 minutes, and the correction is, we can say, pretty accurate, like 1.5 degrees. You won't see the difference at all in VR. And it will get better over time. You see, we're getting down to 1.3. It will just, the accuracy increase over time. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this update. We will have the V2 trackers on the store by this weekend. So don't hesitate to get some, and you will see it's really a good feature. Actually, it's really a game changer feature for the orientation. So I hope you will enjoy it.